What's up, fellow YouTubers? 2014 JKU. What's our project? We're gonna make her a little more flexy. Come here, show you what's up. Putting this sway bar disconnects. Got a good axle drive coming off that stump right there. So if you like a video like that, follow along. Let's do it. Okay, first thing we need to do, take our links. This side and this side, both top and bottom, are 19mm. Now that we have our old ones off, you need to set your length. And it may come pre-assembled like this, but these helm joints will turn on the shaft. But basically what you do is you get this one straight, sit inside there like that, turn, and see if we can get the camera to sit. This one here is set because you got your center lines are lined up. Okay, this link did not have the helm joint put on. There it is. So we just got to simply screw this one on to make it mimic the same length as this one. Okay, just install your first end link. Just simply take the end with the helm joint, goes into your sway bar, tighten that up. The helm joint pivots on the inside, so you'll still be able to move it up and down if you need to. So put that through there and tighten it up. Alright, ball joint, helm joint, whatever you want to call it. 15mm on the inside, 15mm wrench here, and my ratchet wouldn't fit in back here, so I used to wrench on the back side too. So 15mm both sides. Now we need to place this bracket. Slide that in there, bring this up, and basically just find a sweet spot where you like it, and you gotta mark your holes and drill for your self tappers. Okay, got our holes drilled and 17/64 bit. Self tapping screws. Take a 13mm socket. Okay, let's see if I want to do. Hold the camera so we see. The easiest way to do it is get your bracket put in place, and drop my bolt. You just kind of set it up by hand. You take your ratchet, hold like it's right here, and press it kind of like a screwdriver, pushing it in at the same time. That allows those threads to start makes that bolt allow to start to cut threads into the frame. It'll be hard to turn for a few turns, and all of a sudden it'll just loosen right up because the bolt has then cut its threads, and you'll be good to go. And because they are self tappers, don't throw the He-Man at them, tighten them up. You don't have to. Like so, good. Just we'll get that there. These we may have to massage them a little bit. Let's see. Now there you go. They'll stay up there, they'll keep your sway bar in place and keep these from dragging down your axle when you got them disconnected at wheeling. So now we got to put the bolt in for the axle. Okay. Alright, piece 1.2. I kind of missed it and didn't show you guys earlier. This jam nut right here was not on the rod link. Be sure to put your jam nuts on. Now we got to put these here. So the washer goes like this to this side of the frame, and your nut tightens up to this side. Okay, and putting in your pins, you got a 19mm socket, and I'm going to use a drill bit just to drop it down through this right here, or you can use a small screwdriver also to hold that in place while you tighten it up. And And just keep cranking it until she's tight. Okay, let's check, see where your pin's gonna fall in at. Okay, what you wanna make sure is your pin is in a place to where if you try to pull your pin, it's not against your axle and you can't get it out. So pivot it back this way just a little bit. So your pin would run right up, straight up and down. Well, pretty much so anyway. So when you pull your pin, and I'll demonstrate real quick. See, pin comes out, you clearing your axle and everything. If you wish to have it too far back that way, it'll come out and it'll hit your axle tube and you will not be able to pull your pin. So, see, clean clearance. So now we've finished nugging her up. Alright. And let it drop down this way. And turn just a little bit before we call yay or nay. Can you still get your pin? We're still clear on our pin, so we're good to go. Okay, now we have this put in place when you're out wheeling. That's going to lock in place right there. Of course, you got to pull your spring, lock it over the end of that, like so nothing comes down. Your sway bar stays up where it's supposed to be. Now, at this point, I would demonstrate it coming down on the pin here, but there's going to have to be a little trick I want to show you, because you got the dual dampeners going on here. They're kind of in the way, so we're going to get the other side done. The other side is identical to this side, so there's no need of me making the video ridiculously long showing you the same thing over and over. So we're going to knock the other side off real quick, and I'm going to show you a little trick on how to get these hooked onto that, because let me show you what's happening. So dropping these down, it's hitting the dampener here. Try to bring them right through here, it can't get in between that. So what's going to happen once we get the other side loose, this sway bar will rock upward. That'll let this link clear all this. It'll drop inside, and we should be able to put it on the pin at that point. So we're going to knock this other side off real quick. Be right back. Alright, we got this side done. Like I said, it's just like the other side as far as the steps, so we don't need making the video ridiculously long. Did want to point out though, you got a little bit of a tight room right here. Now whenever you pull this out here, you're done wheeling, kind of put it back in road mode. You gotta bring this down. And it's really easier because I've got the other side unhooked way over there. If you see the bar right there, sway bars take it, roll it upward here. See that rotate up, push this back, have it in place, and have that number ready to go. Come over here. You push this one past all that, get it lined up. Then you bring the sway bar down. You'll want to get this one in first, because this one that's going to be harder to deal with. Right down. Slide that in place. Insert your pin. I can see where the heck is that. Yeah, new bushings are hard to go in. There we go. Anyway, you see the point. You just push them up through there and lock them in. On this side. You take this. Once you get the other side put in, install over there, then you take this one, line it up, push it on, drop your lock pin in, you're good to go. Very simple. steering good. Yeah. Hope y'all like that install video of those sway bar disconnects. They Jeep out a lot. I know, you're hearing my voice, but you don't see me. I'm hanging out down here at lunchtime. Thought I'd do a little different closing. What you see right there is Nashville Shores, a little water park, gathering place. Everybody has a lot of fun there. And take a little walk over here a little bit. You see right there through those trees, that's Percy Priest Dam. And where I'm at is a little visitor center area of Percy Priest Lake that really relaxing out here. First time I've been out here, just kind of look for a place to close the video, but wanted something different, you know. So I thought I'd come out here and check it out. Pretty cool. I think I may spend some more of my lunches out here. Alright, find me a place to park here. So everyone, those sway bar disconnects helped that Jeep out a lot. Factories, they flex okay to begin with, but add those bad boys and disconnect that sway bar. That stump is just a little sample of how that Jeep flex now. And if you really want a full sample, I'm going to do a link below. Check out the video where we took that thing four-wheeling, and the very last of it, he flexed it up on a rock. Flexed that Jeep hard. Looked good. Looked real good. So everyone, if you like that video, you know what's up. Give me that thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, because every time I release one of these videos, you'll get an email saying, hey, yo, we got another one. And comment down below if you got anything you'd like to add to the video that's going to be, that would help somebody out. I know that one part of the video I kind of forgot to put the jam nut on, so I kind of put it on a little bit later in the video. Don't forget that. Very important. So everyone, I hope you liked the video. Remember, thumbs up. Oh yeah, one more thing. www.fixjeeps.com. Go check out my site. Really cool stuff there. Mostly YJ, but I've got some JK stuff about to go on. I've got some TJ stuff on there. So go by and check it out. www.fixjeeps.com. So everyone, hope you like it. Thumbs up. Subscribe. You gotta subscribe. And comment. So everyone, peace. Later, y'all.